Welcome, my dear fans and subscribers. Today we are looking at a topic of great importance in our everyday life, titled Time Systemization Secrets. Transform your schedule, achieve more. First of all, what is time systemization? It is the process of organizing and managing your time in a structured and efficient way to maximize productivity. It involves creating systems, routines, and strategies to ensure that your tasks, priorities, and goals are handled efficiently and effectively. The goal of time systemization is to minimize wasted time, reduce decision fatigue, and create a predictable flow to your daily activities. 1. Time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time for different tasks or activities. For example, reserve morning hours for focused work without interruptions, as mentioned in the snippets. 2. Prioritize tasks. Identify essential tasks and prioritize them. Use tools like to-do lists or digital planners to organize your workload. Using methods like the Eisenhower matrix or ABC prioritization to categorize tasks by importance and urgency. 3. Schedule your time. Include personal time in your calendar for self-care activities like reading, walking, or relaxing. This helps maintain balance and prevents burnout. 4. Create routines. Establish daily routines that incorporate both work and leisure, making it easier to manage tasks efficiently. 5. Review and adjust. Regularly assess your system and make adjustments as needed to improve efficiency and effectiveness. 6. Automation. Automating routine or repetitive tasks using tools and technology, such as scheduling apps, reminders, and workflow automation software. 7. Batching similar tasks. Grouping similar tasks together to complete them in one focused session, such as answering emails, making phone calls, or creating content. 8. Delegation. Delegating tasks that others can handle to free up your time for more critical activities. 9. Time tracking and review. Monitoring how time is spent, analyzing the efficiency of your system, and making adjustments to improve productivity. Remember to double-check your scheduling and systemization methods to ensure they fit your personal style and needs. Now we are going to look at the benefits of time blocking. Time blocking offers several benefits that can enhance productivity and overall time management. Here are some key advantages. 1. Increased focus. By dedicating specific blocks of time to particular tasks, you can minimize distractions and maintain a higher level of concentration. 2. Better time management. It helps you allocate your time more effectively, ensuring that important tasks receive the attention they need without falling through the cracks. 3. Improved productivity. With a structured schedule, you can accomplish more in less time, as you're less likely to waste time deciding what to do next. 4. Enhanced work-life balance. Time blocking allows you to schedule personal activities and downtime, helping to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. 5. Clearer prioritization. It encourages you to prioritize tasks and set realistic time frames for completion, leading to more strategic planning. 6. Reduced procrastination. Knowing that you have a set time to work on a task can reduce the tendency to procrastinate, as you're more committed to following your schedule. 7. Accountability. Having a visual representation of your planned tasks can increase accountability, as you can track your progress throughout the day. 8. Flexibility. While time blocking creates structure, it can also be adjusted as needed, allowing you to adapt to unexpected changes or interruptions. 9. Better estimation of time. Over time, you'll become more adept at estimating how long tasks take, leading to more accurate scheduling in the future. 10. Stress reduction. Knowing that you have dedicated time for each task can alleviate the anxiety of feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list. By implementing time blocking effectively, you can create a more organized and productive workflow. What are the possible tools for time management? There are numerous tools available to help with time management, each catering to different needs and preferences. Here are some popular options. Digital tools. 1. Calendar apps. Google Calendar, great for scheduling events, setting reminders, and sharing calendars with others. Microsoft Outlook Calendar integrates well with email and offers features for scheduling meetings. 2. Task management apps. Todoist, a user-friendly app for creating to-do lists, setting priorities, and tracking progress. Trello uses boards and cards to organize tasks visually, ideal for project management. Asana, useful for team collaboration, allowing you to assign tasks and track project timelines. 3. Time tracking apps. Toggle, simple time tracking tool that helps you understand where your time goes. Rescue Time automatically tracks your activities and provides insights into your productivity patterns. 4. Pomodoro Technique apps. Focus Booster, a timer app that implements the Pomodoro technique, helping you work in focused sprints. Forest encourages focus by growing a virtual tree as you stay on task, discouraging distractions. 5. Note-taking apps. Evernote organizes notes, tasks, and projects in one place, making it easy to keep track of ideas. Notion, a versatile tool for notes, databases, and project management, adaptable to your needs. Physical tools you can use to manage your time effectively are as follow. 1. Planners and bullet journals. Use a physical planner or bullet journal to jot down tasks, appointments, and goals, allowing for a tactile experience. 2. Whiteboards or corkboards. Great for visualizing tasks and deadlines, making it easy to see what needs to be done at a glance. 3. Sticky notes. Use sticky notes for reminders and tasks, which can be easily moved around as priorities change. Creating a daily routine involves thoughtful planning and flexibility to align with your goals and lifestyle. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you establish a productive daily routine. 1. Identify your goals. Determine your short-term and long-term goals. This will guide what activities you need to prioritize in your routine. 2. Assess your current schedule. Take note of how you currently spend your time throughout the day. Identify periods of peak productivity and times when you typically feel sluggish. 3. Choose key activities. List the activities you want to include in your routine, such as work, exercise, meals, relaxation, and personal projects. Prioritize these based on your goals. 4. Define time blocks. Break your day into blocks of time. Assign specific activities to each block: morning routine, wake up, breakfast, exercise, or mindfulness practice. Work blocks. Focused work sessions using strategies like time blocking or the Pomodoro technique. Breaks. Schedule short breaks to recharge between work sessions. Evening routine. Wind down with activities like reading, family time, or preparing for the next day. 5. Set time frames. Assign specific start and end times for each activity to create structure. Be realistic about how long tasks will take. 6. Build in flexibility. Allow some buffer time between activities to accommodate unexpected interruptions or tasks that take longer than expected. 7. Start small. If you're new to routines, start with a few key activities and gradually expand as you become comfortable. 8. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use a habit tracking app to monitor your adherence to the routine. This will help you identify what works and areas for improvement. 9. Adjust as needed. Regularly review your routine. Make adjustments based on what you find most effective or if your priorities change. 10. Stay consistent. Stick to your routine as much as possible, but allow yourself grace on days when things don't go as planned. Consistency will help you develop habits over time. Example daily routine. Here's an example of a simple daily routine. 7 a.m. Wake up, drink water, and do a short workout or stretch 30 minutes. 7:30 a.m. Shower and get dressed 30 minutes. 8 a.m. Breakfast 30 minutes. 8:30 a.m. Morning work session focused work 2 hours. 0:30 a.m. Short break 15 minutes. 10:45 a.m. Continue work 1 hour. 11:45 a.m. Lunch 1 hour. 12:45 p.m. Afternoon work session 2 hours. To 45 p.m. Short break 15 minutes. 3 p.m. Finish work 1 hour. For p.m. Personal project or hobby 1 hour. 5 p.m. Relaxation or family time 2 hours. 7 p.m. Dinner 1 hour. 8 p.m. Wind down, reading, or preparation for the next day 1 hour. 9 p.m. Bedtime routine meditation, skincare, etc., and lights out by 10 p.m.
Every day, we face endless distractions, meetings, and emails. But the secret to thriving as a professional? It's building the right habits. Start by setting clear priorities. Focus on what truly matters. Use powerful tech tools like task managers and time tracking to stay organized. Break down your goals into manageable tasks and celebrate small wins along the way. But remember, productivity isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter. Take regular breaks to recharge, reflect, and refocus. Make time for deep work where distractions are out and your best ideas come to life. The most successful professionals don't just have goals. They build daily habits that drive them. One small habit, done consistently, can create huge results. So, start today. Take control of your time, focus on your goals, and become the most productive version of yourself. Your future self will thank you.
Creating a routine that works for you may take time and experimentation, so be patient and willing to adjust as needed. So, you can see that systemizing your time is necessary because it saves you time, stress, and resources. So, if you like this video, press the bell icon, subscribe, and thumbs up for more notifications.